The tool that I explored was NearPod. So NearPod is a presentation tool that teachers can use to either upload a Google slide that they've already made or create something right from NearPod. So I decided to create something right from NearPod because I wanted to explore more of the little things or activities that they had on there. And what I really liked is that they had ways to have student interaction. So there's activities that you can include into the presentation, sort of to see and have the students see for themselves where they're at after we've already gone over the content, and also for participation. So you can post a question and students are able to see or able to answer it, and then it can be projected on the screen, and it can be totally anonymous. So it'd be really, it sort of boosts the level of confidence, and students gain that confidence to participate more often in answering questions and in class discussions. And I also really liked that the teacher or whoever is the person presenting can decide which answers are going to be shown and which are not, because I mean students can decide to put inappropriate things, but it has that level of security so that we are on track. And so this is what I made. The standard that I decided to work with was construct an explanation to demonstrate the relationship between major cell structures and cell function. Those cells would be plant and animal. So I just decided to make a very condensed, not at all in-depth presentation, just so that I can look through the things that are available with NearPod. And so it starts with an open-ended question, and the question is shown right here. How do cells take part in our everyday functions? And then if I wanted to answer, I could put something like, oh, we are all made up of cells. And then I'd submit it, and then it goes on to the next slide. This is just in the preview part, and then this is a video that I found that makes sense. It's like a song about cells, and then students can see that. And then this would be like the actual content area. It's actual content, it's just not in depth. And then it goes through a prokaryote cell, a eukaryotic, with examples. And then this is one of the real cool things I found. They had like simulations of certain things. This is an animal cell, and I think that within a classroom I can definitely have them look at this and then even point out the things or the organelles that they found in the animal cell within their groups, sort of like a mini discussion. And then it goes into the plant cell, so just being able to look at it from different perspectives and point out the differences, and again doing this in a small group discussion and then bringing it out into a whole class discussion. And then this is one of the activities that NearPod allows me to do. So this is like a match type of activity. So you would match the cards, and I think this would be a great way to study and sort of see where your understanding is at. So it would be all living cells come from pre-existing cells, and plant and animal cells are what kind of cell that would be eukaryotic, and then we have a eukaryotic with this one and prokaryotic with this one. And that is all I've got for now. Thank you.